previous episode on the Herbal Laws YouTube channel, where I talk about time, not the clock time, but the masterpiece time, which is used in a Jamaican kitchen.
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
Herbal Laws family, welcome back to a new episode. Yeah man, on the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah man, in today's episode, I am going to carry you along while I plant, a new herb plant to the family. This one is called PANADOL. Yeah man, yes, PANADOL. Yeah, pain reliever. Yeah, come along. Also in today's episode, Herbal Laws family, yeah, I am going to reap okra. Yeah man, I have some okra that is ready. Yeah, and I want to reap them before they get tough. Yeah, so on the reaping of okra in today's episode, just a little tip, because even though you see the okra big and nice like this, sometimes they get old. So if you cook it, it will be tough. So if you want to test it, you do like this, the tip. So this one is good, but this one, see it, can't break. So if you want to know, you just break the tip of it. Yeah, just a little tip, on the Herbal Laws channel. Stay tuned. Now, because they are ready now. And also, there's a few CHOi. So, come along with I and I today while I plant my PANADOL herb and reap okra and CHOi. So, it's time to plant my PANADOL. So this herb can be used as tea. Yeah, and always remember that when you are making herb tea, it's always a teaspoon of herb to a cup, of hot water. So if you are steeping some herb tea, you boil the water to boiling point. Yeah, place the herb in the water and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Now this plant can also, you can use 3 of the leaves and you can blend it with your pineapple. Yeah man, that's a good blend. Yeah, so PANADOL herb, yeah. Herbal Laws family. Yeah man, as I reap okra, in this episode, I want to share a quote with you guys. Familiarity breed contempt. In all your doings, always try to be professional at what you do. Because sometimes even the people that you go out of your way to help, when it get familiar, it breed contempt. Yeah, the same people will let you down. Yeah man, so stay tuned with I and I while I reap, and I look on reaping natural plants, preserving life. In other words, fix up life. Yeah man. And if you you know, type in the hashtag fix up life, then you will see other content from herbal laws. Yeah man, stay tuned. Yeah man, pop chai. Yeah, it's not a lot, but it's a nice meal. Yeah man, plant your own food. You know, plant your own vegetable. Yeah, let your food be a medicine and your medicine be a food. Yeah man, yes I. Yeah man, so be a compassionate person, be a loving person, be loyal, but also remember familiarity breed content. So this plant already have a lot of root, you know, if you can see it. So I'll not disturb the root. So I'll just, you know, place it in the pot, just like that. Yeah. So it's as simple as that. You know? So I'll have to get some more dirt to add to this plant. Yeah. Also going to get a sticker or so to hold it up. Yeah man, stay tuned. So herbal loss family, things will not go the way you want it at all times. Yeah, but no matter what happens, stay calm. You know, the calmer you try to be, you know, it's easier to work out and solve problem. Yeah, so life itself doesn't come with perfection, you know, but if something doesn't work out, you know, or someone don't like something that you do, if you are an honest person, yeah, just stay calm, stay within spirit, and things will work out. Yeah, try it as best as possible to be an honest person, you know, because as our elders always say, honesty is the best policy, you know. So yeah, when you stay within spirit, all things work together for good. Yeah, so add some more soil to my plant, you know. And that's it. Yeah, man. So thank you for, you know, watching today's episode. And if you watch today's episode to the end, you know, type in the comment section hashtag fix up life. So repeat, if you watch today's episode to the end, type in hashtag fix up life. If the thumbnail strike you, you know, also type in the comment section hashtag fix up life. Yeah, man. So I'm on the year, yeah, fixing up life. Stay tuned for another episode.
Mommy, just pray for me. Mommy, just pray for me.